Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and this time I'm repairing a loose steering wheel on a 1995 Buick Century. As you can see right here, the problem with the loose wheel here. And we're gonna go and start the process. And here we go. First thing you do, you remove a little clip right here. It's a little clip that goes right up here on top of this, if you can see that. You remove that little clip right here. Then you take this screw right here. You get you, it's a 7/16 standard size socket. You put it up there, take your ratchet and break it like that. And I'll just screw it on off there like so. Bolt right here. Okay, then you take it and put your wheel puller up there. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Okay, see how loose the steering wheel is? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my wheel puller and put up here. Okay, let's walk back here a minute. Got my wheel puller out here in the shop. Had it down here working on a lawnmower. As you can see. Let's come back this way with it. Doing a carburetor on this. See the carburetor's off. Doing that. Got to install that later on today. Okay. And here we go. I probably don't got the right tools out here with me. But we're going to try it out, though. Let's see what's up. How the wheel puller go like this. That's the wrong side. Get that out of the way. That definitely in the right size. Okay, let's see here. The wheel puller whole screw broke off in it. Okay. Doesn't take too much, no way, really, to pull that wheel up. Alright. Get the other screw there. I don't think it had to really have too much pressure on it. Not to get that. Let's see here. It's kind of hard what I'm trying to do this to. I'm gonna pull that back out of there. Alright. Let's see, guys. I'm trying to hold this phone. And do that too. Need me a tripod here. And I don't really think it take a whole lot of pressure, really, you know, to pull this wheel up once you had it off before, like I have. Wondering where I was that slack at the time. Man, not aware of it now. That it's slack as hell. Like that, I may need to tighten it a little bit more, guys. And what I'm gonna do, this is the first step. And being I ain't got nobody to hold my camera for me, I'm just gonna come back with part 2 after I get the wheel and everything off. And I hope y'all enjoy this little bit of help. Part 1 of doing this with the steering wheel. And I'll come back once I get it off, guys. Promise. Alright. See y'all in the next video. Alright. Peace out, YouTube. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe to my channel. Any negative comments, you will be blocked. Peace out.